Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's not just to clear our noses. Scientists have developed a groundbreaking technology that mimics the natural sneeze reflex to clean air in enclosed spaces. This innovation uses a burst of air to expel dust and germs, much like a sneeze does in our bodies. The tech is being used in hospitals and airplanes to ensure cleaner air, reducing the spread of airborne diseases. It's a simple yet revolutionary way to keep environments safe and healthy. Imagine a world where sneezing isn't just a bodily function, but a tech-driven solution.